In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all answers in Google Forms. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find every response, how to switch between different views, and how to get your data into a spreadsheet for deeper analysis. Start by opening your form in edit mode. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the Questions and Responses tabs across the top. Click the Responses tab. This is the control center for everything your form has collected. You will land on the Summary view first. Here, Google Forms automatically builds charts and counts for each question, so you can spot trends at a glance. Multiple choice questions show bar charts, checkboxes display distributions, and short answers aggregate common responses. Scroll down to review every question's summary. If you need a quick report, use the three-dot menu in this tab to print the summary or download all responses as a CSV for use elsewhere. Next, switch to the Question view along the top of the Responses area. This view focuses on one question at a time. Use the drop-down to pick the question you want to analyze. Then scroll through the answers people submitted for that single prompt. This is especially helpful for open-ended questions, where reading responses in context makes patterns easier to spot. Now move to the Individual view. Here you can read each respondent's full submission from start to finish. Use the left and right arrows to move between entries. You'll see timestamps and all answers grouped per person, which is useful if you're verifying a single submission or following up on specific entries. If you find test or duplicate responses, the trash can icon lets you remove them. If you want to work with your data in a spreadsheet, click the green Spreadsheet icon in the Responses tab to link your form to Google Sheets. Choose to create a new sheet or connect to an existing one. In Sheets, each row is a response and each column is a question. From there, you can sort, filter, add formulas, and build charts. The sheet updates automatically as new responses come in, so you're always looking at the latest data. You can also download the sheet as Excel or CSV, or share view-only access with collaborators. A quick note on access. Only form editors can see the Responses tab. If you don't see it, make sure you're logged into the right account or request edit access from the owner. That's it. Use Summary for quick insights, Question for deep dives per prompt, Individual for full submissions, and link to Sheets when you need flexible analysis or sharing.